Welcome everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad that you're here. Thank you so much for subscribing if you have already subscribed. If not, consider subscribing to my channel. Also would like to say that anything that's said in this video or in my previous ones is not to be taken as financial advice. And also, if you would like timestamps, they will be provided in the description below. So let's jump right into this right now. This weekend I've been just seeing coins within the DeFi space just absolutely take off, guys. Let me start with Polkadot. I am kicking myself right now because I just didn't get in on DOT and it broke structure. Yeah, it's gonna keep going. I don't see it coming back, but I did get in. I am in on DOT finally. And any dips right now, the strategy I'm going to be adopting with these DeFi coins is I'm going to be buying the dips because the volume behind it is doing so well. Look at Polkadot. Let's go down to Uniswap. It's doing well. We got this 3-pin bar pattern here. I think we could see some pullback. Just from my analysis, we're seeing that it played out exactly. Ren took out its all-time high. All right. Chainlink took out its all-time high. All right. That's going to be breaking. I think with Link, any significant dips, I believe it's a buy possibility. ZRX I think is going to break out soon. I was thinking that this head and shoulders pattern I've mentioned before on the channel is something that could allow it to break down more. However, this I believe is not going to be correct. So I was wrong on that analysis. So now I'm looking. I believe that we can see ZRX start to break out. Once we break and take out this high, everybody, I think the sky's the limit. Blue skies ahead for ZRX especially if we get back to $2. Loopring, one to watch in the DeFi space. Really, I think is going to do well. It's literally, I think it's going to go back and fill that wick. But why I'm making this video is I want to really say, keep your eyes, especially in 2021, on the DeFi space. Another thing I would like to bring to your attention is the Bitcoin dominance, right? Again, for those of you who are not familiar with the Bitcoin dominance, there's this. Okay, before I explain what the Bitcoin dominance is, I do believe that in the YouTube crypto space, a lot of people have heard people or different analysts or YouTubers or whatever say things like, in order for the altcoin season to be here, Bitcoin needs to continue to go higher. That's not totally correct. All right, because according to the Bitcoin dominance chart, in order for monies to go into Bitcoin, in order for money to go into the altcoins, the Bitcoin dominance has to be lowered. All right, and we can see this here, especially what happened here was really all the money went into DeFi. Look at what the Bitcoin dominance did. It broke down. Look at this massive wick down to 58 and closed right back at this trend line, right? I believe eventually this wick is going to get filled. I think there's more volume that's going to go into the DeFi space. What does that mean? I believe Bitcoin is due for a correction. You look on the RSI, all the signals are saying this thing is completely overbought. I believe once the Bitcoin dominance falls, we're going to start seeing a massive influx into altcoins. So the altcoin season is almost here. And I would say go back and watch my video that I did on how to prepare for the altcoin season. I'll have it in the as a card right now. You can go there and check it out. And guys, I would just say, just keep watching this. I think something is going to happen here. I don't know when, but I think there's going to be a blast off in the altcoin market, altcoins, sometime this year. So start preparing, start looking at preparing your buys, especially if you're new. If you're a veteran, you've been in this for a while, then you can kind of ignore what I'm saying, but really pay attention to the DeFi space. I have not checked out XRP yet. I do think XRP is it seems like it's gonna break down even more. Kraken, the exchange that I use, they're gonna be stopping trading later this month. So that's what I wanted to show. I do believe this weekend we saw some big moves. Some things are starting to play out, and we're seeing the Bitcoin dominance starting to break down, and it seems like there's could be some sort of reversals in terms of on Bitcoin side, and we can see some more volume go into the altcoin space. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you all in the next one.